Today, I have for you a bar workout in which we'll be working through the legs and stretching and lengthening through the upper body. So get ready and I'll meet you at the bar. Starting in a first position with those ankles together, toes turned out, we're going to take a plie to a releve. So we'll plie, bend through the legs, releve, push the whole way up. Push up out of that plie into a releve with the heels lifted. Double time now. Take it down, push it up. Plie to releve. Plie, push it all the way through. Couple more and lift and down and up. Two more right here. And last one. Keep those feet in first position. Releve up. Lower the heels, soften the elbow, and port or bras back. Lifting, switching arms. Releve, soften the elbow, drop the heels, gaze to the elbow, lean back and away, and lift. Step to second position right here. Same thing. Plie to releve. We're going to start out nice and slow. Push to releve. Plie. Push to releve. One more at this speed, then let's take a double time. Take it down and up. Make sure that you are pressing through those toes and it's not becoming a bounce, but you're in control, lowering down, lifting up. Nice, slide down and lift. Step to first position here. Sweeps up as you lift to releve, drop the heels, soften elbow, port or bras, and lift. Switching to the right arm, lifting up, dropping heels, keeping the neck in line with the spine, gaze gently over to the inside of the elbow, back to the left arm, releve, lower down, port or bras, and lift, and right, lifting up, soften elbow, lower the heels, and port or bras. Staying right here in first position, we're going to go right back into that plie to releve, starting out in double time. Plie, releve, plie, push to releve, plie, releve. 3, 2, 1. Step to second right here. Plie to releve right here, taking that nice quick double time, pressing through, making sure that we're keeping our pelvis tucked in and under and the tailbone sliding straight down so we're not sticking the booty out and leaning the chest forward. Step to first for upper body. Releve, sweep left arm up, lower the heels and lean back, port or bras to the right arm now. Releve, lift, lower heels, soften elbow, gaze to the inside of the elbow, stretch back, port or bras, back to the first side, left arm sweeping up, soften elbow and heels, reach back, port or bras, switching to the right, releve, drop the heels, soften elbow, port or bras, and lift. Wonderful, and let's take a little stretch back into tabletop, reaching away, nice flat back, arms stretching towards the bar, and roll up through the spine. Next, take the right leg and bring it to a coupe position. So passe would be at the knee, coupe is more at the ankle. We're going to bring it in and extend out straight. Coupe, extend, coupe, extend, coupe, extend, really reaching to that toe and switch sides. Coupe, extend. Keep the thigh and the knee in the same position and think about hinging from the knee. Now we'll plie and reach. Plie and reach. Plie and reach. Bring it up and over out of the hip. Plie and reach. Try not to twist your body here, just straight over, arm framing the face. Good. Left heel lifts and plie it down and pulse. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Switch the heels, right heel up, take it down. Pulse, pulse, pulse. Keep it going. Now lift both heels and pulse it down. Keep that back nice and straight, little pulsing motions, getting those legs warm. Right leg up, coupe, extend. Coupe, extend. Bend it in and switch the heels. Coupe, extend. Coupe, extend. Bend and extend. Bend, bring it down. Plie, reach. Plie and reach. Plie and reach. You can start to add a little toe tap, getting that heart rate up a little bit. Tap out that opposite foot. Plie, reach and tap. Plie, reach and tap. Keep it going right here. One heel lifts, plie, pulse. That left heel's high in the air, right heel pressing down, pulsing out right here. Good. Switch those heels. Right heel lifts and pulse. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Both heels lifts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lower down and hold right here. Now elevator slide all the way up. Nice straight legs and hold. Take it down. Right here, hold it steady. Slide it up all the way to the top, and then the left heel lifts right back to our plie pulse. Take it down. 2, 3, 4, 5. Switch the heels and down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Both heel lifts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and slide it down and hold. Yes, sink a little bit lower. Elevator slide all the way up. Nice straight legs and slide it down. Little shaky through the legs here. And both heels hold right here in pulse and slide it up. Relax your feet. You are done. Thanks so much for joining me today for this mini bar workout. Be sure to check out other bar workouts just like this on my channel. And if you're new to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you can catch Pilates workouts, bar workouts, and affirmations right here with me, and so much more. This is the Bennie Bar Pilates studio, where I take you inside my studio for at-home workouts. I would love to hear from you if you've got questions for me or a particular area of the body that you would like to work on. Be sure to like this video to let me know that you want to see more bar workouts just like this. I will see you guys next time at the bar.